Alrighty, everybody. I got some new Volta Supply gloves, all black. Love them a lot more. Also, bike is finally tuned. I will tell you, it is a process. I'm not gonna record it or anything. Didn't record it or anything because there's no point. You have someone like what is his name, Turbo Twinkie and Jake the Garden Snake have done it. Also, I bought some new headphones. This thing is called Slim Buds. They're supposed to be noise cancellation, and I'm gonna ride around town and see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, the exhaust is immediately quieter. Woo! Oh yeah, this thing is jumpier already. This thing is idling a little bit faster too. I'm gonna let the bike warm up before we actually, because I'm immediately gonna want to kill it as soon as I get out there. Now the next thing I need to do is get new fucking rear sets, because when I put my feet like you're supposed to on the peg like this and I rest it, my foot will slowly hit that. Oh yeah. This thing immediately has more power. Holy shit! Well, goddamn, son. Oh yeah. It's got power again, baby. And these headphones are working great. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my god, dude! I don't think it's ever pulled this hard in third gear. I'm trying to ride around a little bit before I get this, before this storm comes in. You can tell the sky, the environment's very dark, and it's because it's supposed to storm later tonight. It looks like it's gonna storm now, but I wanted to get my riding in. Oh damn, son, you almost straight backed into me. Oh yeah, this is where it's at. Trying to see, I don't know. These headphones they are a little tight, I won't lie, but they're doing their job. Like I hope I'm not talking too loud, but it's a little hard to hear myself. And my volume's down at the lowest end, so it's doing what it's supposed to. It is a bit chilly too, but don't care. Had to ride today. Still loud. Oh shit. There's a little bit of a divot there. I didn't realize it. Oh god, this bike is so awesome. I won't lie, the sound quality on these headphones though aren't the greatest, but it does a okay job of blocking out the droning. There's not going to be much talking in this video. I just wanted to ride the bike around town, update y'all that I got it, the tune installed and everything, and that it runs a lot better. I'll see its power gain if I can do if I can pop the wheel up easily in third gear. Hopefully I'm not talking too loud, because I do have my headphones kind of turned up. that bitch came up immediately. Oh yeah, it has way more power. I don't even have to yank on it anymore. So as you ain't noticed, that's why you go Socus Pocus. Man, you don't fucking do wheelies for a few weeks and you're out of it. I also changed the fan temp, or whenever the fan engages. So now it engages, instead of engaging at 220, it engages at 200. Woo! Kind of scary. These roads aren't even either, so yeah, it even wants to pop up now, and it power wheelies a little bit in third gear. Still backfires a little bit. Yeah, that's a cop right there, definitely ripping it in front of him. I would say this bike is running amazing. Even in third gear, it wants to just pull hard. So I think I'll go ahead and call the video here, guys. Just wanted to do a small update video. Kind of see how the bike wheelies, how fast it gets up in third gear. That's where I knew it'd be the real test, in third gear, because this thing's stock in third gear. It still wanted to get up, but you kind of had to, you know, assist it by yanking on the handlebars. Now you don't have to, so I know this thing gained some power. But yeah, that should do it. So thank y'all for watching, and I think next video will be the install of the crash cage, not the sub cage, but the crash cage. That should be coming in within another week or so. So that'll do it. Thank y'all.